'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart from this day on now.
Happy 18th birthday, Yui! My wish and pray for you is that may God continue to bless you a good physical, mental, and emotional health. And I pray that all your dreams, your plans may come true in God's perfect time. And I want you to remember that when everything's not going smoothly, you have me. Like, you have an ate and friend in me. So, come to me, girl. Like I'm willing to listen to all your rants, to all your fun cuentos. Even though not so fun, I'm willing to listen, girl. So, come to me. And, yun, enjoy your day. Enjoy your life. The college life. And, yun, happy birthday. I miss you so much. Bye-bye!
Hi, Yui! Happy 18th birthday! So, yun, legal ka na, be. Pwede ka nang makulong. Charot lang. So, yun. Gusto ko lang sabihin na thank you for everything, especially for being good friend to me. Kahit lagi mo ko inaasar dati. Namimiss ko na yung pampipikon niyo sa akin kasi nga sobrang pikunin ko. Alam niyo naman yun. Pero thank you kasi nga natatanggap niyo yung pagiging ganun ko and alam kong kilala niyo naman na ako. So, yun. I really miss you na lalo na kayong apat. Miss ko na kayo, promise. Parang dati lang pinag-uusapan pa natin kung kung paano nang mangyayari sa atin kapag hindi na tayo magkakasama. Pero kaya natin yan. So, yun. Legal ka na. So, alam mo naman na ang tama at mali, and alam ko naman na matured ka na din sa lahat ng bagay, kahit na may pagka baby ka naman namin. So yun, aral lang tayo mabuti para sa future natin, kasi magiging future CPA pa tayo, no? Kaya natin yan. So yun, happy 18th birthday. We miss you so much. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na Yui, my former seatmate. I wish you all the best and may God bless you always. I miss you kahit magkalapit lang tayo ng room. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Yui, happy 18th birthday, and nakakalungkot lang kasi hindi tayo kompleto mag-celebrate sa birthday mo. Pero I wish tomorrow sa birthday mo is i-enjoy mo lang talaga siya, and lagi mong tandaan, malayo man kami, pero lagi kami nakasuporta sa mga laban mo, sa mga competition mo. And also, good luck sa journey mo sa college, lalo na sa accountancy. Alam kong kaya mo yan. Again, happy 18th birthday, Yui. I miss you so much, idol.
Happy birthday! I miss you so much.
Happy 18th birthday. We miss you so much.
Happy birthday.
And happy 18th birthday, Yui. I miss you so much.
Oh,